Gene Robbins has a question. If the word clear is used to describe a teaching in the Bible by two Christians with opposing views on the same teaching, wouldn't that void the effectiveness of using the word in that way? It just means one of them is wrong. So it doesn't mean both of them are wrong. I mean, at least one of them is wrong. One goes, clearly, this is what I would always see in commentaries. It drives me nuts, right? Commentaries go, well, obviously this. And oftentimes people use the word obviously in commentaries to tell you something they're not going to defend. Because they just go, well, obviously, and they move on. Now, sometimes maybe it doesn't need to be defended. Okay, I said earlier, it's just obvious to me that wearing bikinis is immodest. I didn't defend it. And somebody out there is going to be like, well, it's not obvious to me. And I'll be like, well, it's because you're immodest. That's my answer. And so maybe you think I'm being rude, but I think that's the real situation. So I think there's a time to use the word clear, and maybe people won't agree. Maybe someone else will say it's not clear the other way. But what I want to encourage you, Gene, is don't fall into the trap of feeling that because this guy says it's clear this way, and that person says it's clear the other way, I can then have no clarity. That's an easy temptation, right? I'm looking to someone to tell me what to think on this issue. You say this is clear. You say the opposite is clear. What it just means is at least one of them, if not both of them, are wrong. That's all it means. And then you can continue to pursue clarity. And you ask questions like, what makes it clear? Why is it clear that that's the case? And you can go on. So it doesn't void the effectiveness of the use of the word in total. It just means that person was using it incorrectly.